Once upon a time, nestled deep within a misty mountain range, lay a peaceful panda village. Every morning, the pandas would wake up to the sweet smell of fresh bamboo shoots, their favorite treat. But one morning, a cry of alarm echoed through the village. All the bamboo snacks were gone. Every last shoot had vanished from the storage huts. Panic spread like wildfire. Who could have done this? Just then, a calm voice cut through the commotion. "Fear not, my friends." It was Ling Ling, the village's sharpest detective. He confidently placed a large leaf hat upon his head and declared with a determined glint in his eye, "No bamboo bandit can escape my paws. I will solve this mystery and bring our breakfast back." The villagers cheered, their hopes renewed. Ling Ling was on the case. Detective Ling Ling began his investigation at the empty storage huts. He sniffed the air, examined the ground, and soon found what he was looking for. A trail of muddy paw prints, much smaller than any of the adult pandas in the village. "Aha, our thief is a small one," he mused. "And these prints are fresh." The trail led him out of the village and into the thick, foggy valleys that surrounded their home. He followed the muddy footprints with unwavering focus, his detective senses on high alert. The path was tricky, leading him across rickety hanging bridges that swayed over deep ravines and through dense groves of whispering trees. The fog was so thick, he could barely see his own paws in front of him. Suddenly, a dark shadow leapt from behind a large boulder. It was fast and agile, clutching a bundle of bamboo shoots. "Stop, thief!" Ling Ling shouted, and the chase was on. The shadowy figure scurried away, and Ling Ling gave chase, rolling down grassy hills like a furry ball of determination. He expertly dodged fallen logs and cleverly placed vine traps. His mind racing. He had to catch this bandit. The pursuit led them deeper into the mountains, until finally, Ling Ling cornered the small figure in the dark mouth of a cave. The chase was over. As Ling Ling stepped into the cave, his eyes adjusted to the dim light. The bandit was a young scared panda, no bigger than a cub, shivering in the corner. Behind him, another panda lay on a bed of leaves, coughing weakly. The young panda, named Tao, looked up with tear-filled eyes. "Please," he whispered. "I only took the food from my mother. She's very sick and hasn't eaten in days." Ling Ling's heart melted. He saw not a criminal, but a desperate child trying to save his family. He knelt down and gently said, "You don't have to steal. We can help." Instead of punishment, Ling Ling offered a paw of friendship. He led Tao and his mother back to the village, explaining the situation to everyone. The villagers, moved by Tao's story, immediately shared their own food and helped nurse his mother back to health. Ling Ling gathered the village and shared an important lesson. True justice, he explained, isn't just about catching someone who did wrong. It's about understanding why they did it and showing kindness. Inspired by his words, the pandas worked together to build a large community garden, ensuring no one in their village would ever go hungry again. And what about Tao? He grew up to be the best bamboo farmer in the entire valley, always remembering the day a kind detective taught him the true meaning of community.